In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma frames and auto layout. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can follow along on a canvas you are comfortable with. We'll begin with frames, then add auto layout. And finally fine-tune the layout using the right panel settings. Frames accessed with the F key act as containers for your design elements. Think of them as smarter groups. They hold layers, but also control positioning, resizing, and how content behaves. Click the Frame tool or press F, then draw a frame on your canvas or wrap existing elements inside a new frame. Frames help you organize sections of a design like cards, headers, or sidebars, so everything stays tidy and scalable. Auto layout, triggered with Shift+A, is an advanced property you apply to frames that tells Figma exactly how to arrange the items inside. To apply it, select your elements and press Shift+A or right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. Figma will create a frame as needed and place those items inside, instantly giving you consistent spacing and alignment. This is especially helpful for lists, buttons with icons and labels, or any component that needs to adjust when content changes. With the frame selected, look to the right panel for auto layout settings. Direction controls whether items flow horizontally or vertically. Pick vertical for stacked elements like a list, or horizontal for a row of buttons. Spacing between items sets the uniform gap, keeping everything consistent without manually nudging layers. Padding defines the breathing room between the frame's edge and its content. You can set vertical and horizontal padding together or adjust them individually for precise control. If your frame is a card, for example, a bit of padding ensures text doesn't touch the border. Alignment determines how items sit within the frame. Top left for traditional layouts, center for balanced compositions, or other positions depending on your design's intent. Finally, review resizing behavior. Hug contents makes the frame shrink or grow to fit its children. Perfect for chips, tags, and buttons that should wrap tightly around text. Fill container tells children to expand and take up available space, ideal when you want items to stretch across a row or match a grid. Use hug when content drives size and fill when layout drives size. As you work, rename frames to stay organized, and test by editing text or adding elements. You'll see how auto layout adapts instantly, saving time and reducing manual fixes. That's the core of using frames and auto layout together: clean, predictable, and responsive design. Thanks for watching.